Good morning and welcome back to Stockport Radio Society, and today we're going to look at some pictures of what the members have been building at the club, and at the end of the pictures there's a short video of what the kit sounds like. So if you are new to the hobby or you're returning to the hobby and you live in the Stockport area, do come down to Stockport Radio Society. You will be made most welcome, whether you're into kit building, CW, contesting, outdoor events, C4FM, digital radio, HF. Stockport Radio Society has a lot of activities to accommodate every member. As you can see here, the guys were building the first kits and it was a very good evening. There was no burnt fingers on the evening as well, which was a bonus, and all the kits worked. So thank you for watching. If you are free, do come down to Stockport Radio Society. You will be made most welcome. And you also get the first 3 visits free. So do look us up if you're in the area and enjoy the video that's coming now. Morning everyone, quick video on the kit building last night. A big thank you to all involved last night. Really enjoyed it. Thanks to Tom and Tony for helping us out building. So that's the finished article. It is a radio. Nice little kit. And we'll have a look on the back. Did Tom teach me well? There you go. Nice little neat soldering, all done. Once again, thank you to Tom and Tony at the club. Quite enjoyed last night. It was something different. 7-3 for now.